Wait, let's get the, come here. Help me get the lip out. We're gonna show people what we're doing. It's basically the same stuff I had on my car. Oh, he's just gonna leave? Not yet. Alright, we gotta get this shit out first real quick.
Yeah. What?
Did he already scrape it?
Yeah, he did.
Oh. Oh my god. And then these side skirts. Ooh, I missed these Johns. They look nice. Yeah, come on. There we go. So we're going to be doing the same thing I did on my car. Right. And we're going to put that shit in his. There we go. Hurry, hurry.
What?
Nothing, bitch. That's what you get for putting it in my truck, you asshole. Dude, this wing is so nice. Matt gave him his wing, and he put this dumbass sticker on it. Damn, yo, you should take the wing back.
Easy.
Yeah, just take the whole trunk off.
See how nicely the trunk's there?
Yeah, because you took care of it.
Mine falls off when I open it.
You should just take it back.
I should.
Dude, I can't believe you put a dumb sticker in your car. But it looks good though. I like the headlights, taillights, I mean. That diffuser needs to be changed, yo. What do you say? What, he curb it? What? Bruh! How you get a big chunk like that? Dude, did you get hungry? Dude, it looks like a bite, yo.
It does, doesn't it?
Dude, you got hungry or something at work?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Except it's not a clip, it's a screw.
Oh, they got it.
Lights, big
Forgot to take your
fella.
fog lights out, bud.
Damn.
No, I don't have to take shit out. They're
Yeah,
not
you
connected to
do. You have
anything.
water leaking out of your fog light. Look at this. Alright, we're gonna start drilling this thing. No one's recording it, so I'm just gonna get to the finished product. Oh, you gonna record?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright.
Oh, hold up, you're gonna need these. Yo, who closed the trunk?
Dude, you need it. It looks so much better. Right, a few minutes later, it's finally back on. We're going to the side skirts in a little bit, but after Matt did nothing, it's finally on.
Here. Oh, bitch, get off me.
What are you popping the squat for, boy? We're gonna make his car loud as shit today. In a good way. Because he's got the Takeda right now and that thing sounds like cheeks.
See, this is the man radio. Like, I swear to God.
He's good too. This one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Halo just stands there right now.
You have a deep socket of a 17?
I have one in the car.
Grab it.
Yeah, I need one, yeah. Get a deep socket, please. So we got the bumper off right now. The exhaust is on. We took the old Takeda one off. Now Takeda should sound better than his, but I don't know why. He had a lot of rasp coming from this exhaust, so we took it off. Gonna throw that off. We're making a fully straight pipe, just with the stock front pipe, the same thing I had on my car. And then we're putting the Rocky Bunny diffuser on it. This should be much simpler, but I don't know why his kit, basically, his diffuser came in without the reverse lights. So it's kind of dumb, but whatever. Yeah, brake lights, but whatever. It's Eli's car, it's not mine. But yeah, we're almost done with the exhaust. They went to go get a, what was it, JB weld or something, and then they'll be back. So we're gonna put everything back together. We already started it up, it sounds good, but he has a crazy exhaust leak, so we gotta fix that before putting everything back. Rev it. Rev it. Oh yeah. Like, give it some gas. I fucks with that. So I wasn't gonna bore you with the details of how to cut and put the diffuser on. I actually did it on my car. If you wanna go check that out, just go find a few videos back of me installing the diffuser. But it's finally on. His muffler delete is on, and it sounds freaking dope. The car looks insane. I still have my Rocky Bunny fender. We test fitted to his car, and he actually might go wide. But now the car is complete. The rear of it looks incredible. I am so jelly. I miss my car like crazy, but it looks good. There you go.
That's loud. Ooh, dude. Bruh. That's so...
So there you guys have it. That's what the car sounds like. I did a quick run for him because he never heard his car from the outside, especially with this new exhaust. I mean, the car just looks insane. Look at that. The diffuser's on, side skirts are on, the front lip, and he does want to go wide body, but I don't think he should. It looks so good. I miss my car so much looking at his, especially at the rear. This rear looks insane. Look at that. My God. Well, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.